In Scratch, you can move your sprite. It could be anywhere or anytime. First, delete the sprite and select another sprite. I am selecting flying cat. And then select a background. I select buildings. After this, go to motions of building and select change X by 10. But it's moving to right side. I want to move this to left side. So I am selecting -10. And then I want to repeat this 50 times. But from start. So I am go to motions and I am selecting change set X to 200. So it will move from the start and then select forever. It means it will move 50 times repeatedly. And then when flag click pressed.